Not paying your tax is not a crime, but not filing your tax is a crime, is what government says. I'll tell you why and how. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a volatile day today. Sensex initially was up and later on it came down. Sensex went down by 66.95 at closing and the same closed at 52,482.71. Nifty went down by 26.95 and the same closed at 15,721.50. Covaxin, which is again one of the very good vaccinations from India, is in news. I'll tell you why. Bharat Biotech gets a shocker wherein Brazil suspends $324 million worth of order with them, saying that there is a graft probe which is required to be probed, and with this particular company is set to lose, or it is still have to wait and see what will happen. With regard to the same vaccination, there is a good news which says that US Health Research Organization finds it to be working and to neutralize the Delta variant of the COVID virus. So there are two news about the same company and same vaccination. So this is what the news is. Apart from this, Moderna becomes the fourth vaccination to get approved in India, and regulator directly gives a nod wherein Pfizer vaccination could get approval very shortly is what the news says. Moderna also claims that their vaccination is effective and produce required antibodies against the Delta variant. So they are also claiming similar to what your Covaxin is supposed to claim. As I told you, not paying income tax is not a crime, but not reporting it or not filing is a crime. So government says that if you haven't filed for your income tax for last 2 years, your TDS would go up by almost 2 times. Earning through salaries and few other incomes are allowed to be taken without doubling the TDS, but few other things which are like your bank interest and other things will have double TDS is what the government says. However, I would recommend you to go online and read more about it so that you get more clarity. Apart from this, Zomato, who is coming out with IPO this year, has invested $120 million in Grofers, and with this Grofers becomes a unicorn. And Tiger Global, who is one of the biggest investors in Zomato, is who pumping in the money. So $120 million has been pumped by Tiger Global is what the report says. NTPC is planning to come out with IPO of its subsidiary which is into renewable energy. They say that with this particular unit, they aim to generate 60,000 megawatts of electricity by 2032 using the wind and solar capacity. Reliance is also investing big amount there, approximately on 75,000 crores. And Tata is also planning to invest big amount there. So electricity as well as the renewable energy sector is becoming hot place. So it's very important for you to look at that particular sector as an investment. Apart from this, top gainer for the day is Coal India, which went up by 1.49% and the same closed at 146.65. Top loser for the day is Shree Cement, which went down by 2.24% and the same closed at 27,504.60. Gold has gone down by 33 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is right now trading at 46,522. Silver has gone up by 238 rupees and the same is right now trading at 67,470. USD has gone up by 10 paise and the same is right now trading at 75 rupee 36 paise. Euro has gone up by 2 paise and the same is right now trading at 88 rupee 68 paise. Petrol and diesel continue to go up. Petrol has gone up by 7 paise and diesel has gone up by 6 paise for every 1 liter. But crude in international market is been volatile. It went down a bit because of the uncertainty with regard to COVID. At the same time, it came up after news of US showing shortage of crude in their supplies, because of which it's going up again. Right now in India, it's gone up by 65 rupees for every 1 contract of crude oil and the same is right now trading at 5,492. The technical charts do not give us clear indication where the market would head tomorrow. So let's be cautious and play our game with a lot of caution. Do get vaccinated and take care of your health because health is wealth. Take care. Be safe.